Hello, today we will write our very first program named Hello World, which is a traditional thing to do when you learn a new programming language. Are you ready? Then here we go. Well, first, let's open Intellige ID, which we downloaded. For the best result possible, do exactly what I'm doing. Don't just watch me do it, because the more you do it and the more you will learn from it. I will go here and click on New Project. You have to make sure that Java is selected here and that the SDK project has the version 11 of Amazon Corretto. Then we click on Next. Then Next again. This is where we define the project's name and where it will go on our device. We are going to name the project here, which will be Hello World. Then we pick the project location. You can pick whatever you want. I will pick desktop. Then we pick finish. The window on the left is an area that was automatically set by Intellige ID for our code, which organizes things in a certain way. But don't worry about all these files. We will go here and click on the small sign. What we want to do now is creating our first class of Java programming. What's a class? It is a category of items which share the same attributes. They distinguish themselves with their types and their qualities. We will do a right click on this folder and click on New, then Java class. Now we will start writing the main method. The main method constitutes the main part of the program, allowing a Java application to run. Public indicates that the method can be called by any item. Static, which is a class method, meaning it will stay accessible even if there is no class. And void indicates no value will be returned by the method. We will now write the code that will allow us to say Hello World. Then we click on Run hello.main. And as you can see, it's indeed written Hello World. That's all for our first program. In the next video, we will see what variables are and how to use them. So see you next video!